Ciao, everybody. We welcome you to the 24th European Congress of Endocrinology in Milano.
We are so happy this year that we are going to see everyone face-to-face in Milan after more than 2 years of congresses online. I must say that the Congress is going to be very appealing. The program will include prizes at the beginning of the Congress, very important prizes and lectures. We will also have symposia and also debates, which are very interesting. New scientific approach sessions, meet the expert sessions, specific sessions dedicated for young endocrinologists, as well as nurses sessions, very good clinical sessions, and also an important and amazing translational and basic programs.
Having the possibility this year to meet in person for the first time after 3 years, after Lyon 2019, adds a lot to the importance of this meeting. We will gather the whole global endocrine community in one place in person, and I think this makes this event unique in the history of endocrinology.
The Italian Association of Clinical Endocrinology has the same mission as the European Endocrine Society, promoting both the cultural growth of clinical endocrinology and then share to the best knowledge in the endocrinological science. Participating of the ESE Congress in Milan is to collaborate in training, professional and scientific growth to learn about clinical, therapeutic, diagnostic new and network.
In addition to the face-to-face program, to the traditional program, there will be also an electronic program so people can follow the meeting online. It is important for people to come, for all Italians, but also for everyone abroad, because we expect to have also scientists from the US and from Israel and from other countries. So this is really a great opportunity to see each other again after such a long time.
Looking forward to see you very soon, my friend. Ciao, everybody. Ciao.